Hey YouTube, it's Kristen. Just coming to you guys with a video to show you some more products that I will be using while I'm going natural, or while I am natural. The first product that I purchased this stuff probably some of I bought yesterday and some about a few days beforehand. This is pure glycerin concentrate, and pretty much it says that it's from conditioning afros and relaxed hair and activating the curl. You guys can't see that because I don't have my computer set up where you can read labels, but it's pretty much black and white, black writing on a white bottle. And it says mix equal amounts of water into a spray bottle, which I did. Got this little spray bottle, half and half. It's really oily, so I probably use more water than I should, but it still does its job. So that would be a great product. But I did, one of my subscribers, they told me that it was animal fat, and that's kind of gross. They didn't have the vegetable glycerin, which I'm going to go to Whole Foods and try to see how much that costs and try to purchase it and see if they do the same thing, because it's animal fat. It's kind of grossing me out. But yeah, pure glycerin. And I'll probably research that some more, but thanks for the tip. I have been taking this for pretty much about, probably about 3 to 4 months. I have seen, I don't know if it has something to do with my hair growing so fast now, because you guys can see how long my hair is. Like, when I first cut it, I don't know if it was this long or not, but I think it's growing pretty rapidly, and it's very, very thick. And this is biotin. It's the 5,000 mcg. I don't know what that means. I'm retarded. But it's 5,000. And it's supposed to aid in speeding up your metabolism or maintaining a healthy metabolism, so that's a plus. But I take one of these a day with my one-a-day women's vitamin. And I also take like 2 other vitamins. I'm a vitamin freak. But this really, really helps. And my nails are extremely long. So, I don't know. Maybe the biotin's working, maybe it's not. But I'm going to try. I'm going to continue to take this biotin. And I'll probably give you guys an update and see how my hair is growing. But yeah, I recommend you get this. Makes your hair and nails strong. And it promotes hair growth and nail growth. And I wonder if it's good for your skin. Maybe it's good for your skin too. Not sure. My favorite gel, Icy Fantasia. Love, love, love this stuff. I basically, whenever I wash my hair, I always pull down my edges and put the gel on, and it gives a really, really smooth look. But you want to make sure your hair is wet if you really want to get the best results. So love this gel. Also, I have some olive oil conditioning, but it was like in those little packets, you know, that you get when you go to the beauty supply store and they give away free samples or whatever. And I don't remember who it was by, but I know it wasn't organics, and I really loved the way that it made my hair feel. And I would use it as a deep conditioner. So I just bought this stuff yesterday. And it's a deep conditioner. Pretty much I'm going to put this on maybe once a week and sit up on the dryer and just deep condition my hair. And detangle after I sit up on the dryer. I think this stuff is really, really good. It smells really good too. And I'm all about that. Ooh, it smells good. Anyway, that's what it looks like. It's like really a thick conditioning cream. And I got this for about $4. Pretty good. You get a big jar. But that's pretty much, and I went to the beauty supply store, and I know everybody was crazy doing flips for this Denman brush, and I didn't know if my hair was at the perfect length to start using the Denman brush, so I just went to the beauty supply store and tried to see if I could find a Denman brush. And of course I didn't have one that said Denman, but I found one that was made by Annie, and I'm thinking it's the same exact thing, it's just a different brand. And this probably cost me about $3-4. And I saw on somebody's YouTube page where they took out, where they just slid the brush out and they took like these little combs out like every other row, and it's supposed to make, so you can just pop that out, you can replace it, but they just took out every other row and then replaced it back into the brush, and that's supposed to make it easier to like detangle your hair. My hair is not that thick yet, so I'm not going to do that, but definitely when I get some length, I might get a bigger Denman brush, an actual Denman brush, or I might try that little take out every other row of the bristles and see if that helps. I was reading some of the comments on that video, and I will favorite that video so you guys can see down below my favorites how to do it. But it seemed like it helped most of the viewers on there. They were telling me that you could detangle your hair better with the brush. So that's a good tip. So thanks for making that video. That's an awesome tip. I'm sure I'll need it eventually. If I can get this back in here. Oh, well, we'll do it after the video. But I know a lot of people that are watching my channel now are really liking my hair, and I thank you guys for all the lovely comments. I really, really do. Thanks a lot for your support. Like I said, all my viewers, if you have any questions, any comments, any suggestions, I'm very, very open. Just leave me a comment below, or you can inbox me. I do not care. I always respond back, and I really, really appreciate it. But this is the look for today. I wore to work. My little peace sign heart earrings. I really like those. And I kind of like just sleek my hair back and put pins on the side and do like a mohawk look. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me show you the back. That's the back. Okay, but that's the look. I'm really, really loving this hairstyle. I really, really like it. Very easy to manage. Very easy to manage. So like I said, thanks for watching, you guys, and I just wanted to show you guys that much of information. I'm kind of trying to take you guys step by step with my journey, and I will probably do a tutorial for this hairstyle if you guys want me to. I know it's kind of self-explanatory, but some people are more visual than you telling them how you did it. So I definitely will try to do that video as well, but still watch out for my natural hair contest, and I will put the rules up by the end of next week. And I will also do a tutorial. I had a request from a viewer for 2-strand twist. I'm going to do that by the end of next week, and I'm going to do the tutorial for this. So I'll be looking for about 3 or 4 videos. I'm sorry to overload you, but I want to kind of get those out there. And I do have a new camera, so I'll be taking excellent pics of the hairstyles for you guys. And also I'm trying to get together a journey video for my Relax to Natural, an updated video, so I'll get that together for you guys too. It probably won't be till the end of the month. So thanks for watching, and have a good night. Bye.